और अमरीका ने 2500 मजीद फौजी अफगानिस्तान भेजने का ऐलान कर दिया। अमरीकी वजारत दिफा के तर्जुमान जॉन कर्बी की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, कहा इन फौजियों का काम अमरीकी शहरियों को अफगानिस्तान से निकालना होगा। लोग जहाज़ों से लटक कर जान दे रहे हैं, हम ऐसे मजीद वाक़यात नहीं देखना चाहते। उम्मीद है तालिबान अमरीकी फ़ौजियों और सिविलियंस को निशाना नहीं बनाएंगे। हम अफगानिस्तान में किसी से लड़ना नहीं चाहते, अगर मजबूर किया गया तो जवाब देंगे।
But it wouldn't surprise me in the least that commanders would be taking a look at what happened this morning with respect to the C-17, and I won't get ahead of that process. There will be, you can expect that we will take a look at this to see what happened and what we can learn from it in the future. That is absolutely consistent, and it wouldn't surprise me at all if there was, in fact, a formal investigation, but I just can't confirm that right now. But the message was very clearly put to the Taliban that these operations and our people were not to be attacked, or there would be a response. And as you and I speak, there has been no attack on our operation or on our people at the airport. To your other question, I would again like to just fill out the mission that the military has right now is to secure the airport, to keep operations going, and to help make sure that we can safeguard the movement of personnel, people, from Kabul to onward destinations. That's the focus right now.